When we heard about the slogan, Ye Dil Mange More, we remember the real hero of our nation, and that is Captain Vikram Batra. In 1999, he was a great hero in the Kargil War. Between the enemies of the Captain Vikram Batra, his enemies used to call him Sher Shah. In India, each and every people should know about his story. But we should also know his childhood story, that why did he left the luxurious life and why did he decided to join Indian Army. Come, let's talk about his story. Captain Vikram Batra. Captain Vikram Batra was born on 9th September 1974 in Himachal Pradesh in Palampur. His father name was Girdar Lal Batra and mother name was Kamal Kanta Batra. They both were brothers who were twins. They were named as Love and Kush. Love was Vikram and Kush was Vishal. Vikram Batra first went to DAY school and studied in Central School in Palampur. When he used to go to school, he started listening to his dad about the nation and started being patriotic. Thinking patriotic from childhood, he was so active. He used to be first in each and everything. He was all-rounder. He used to be very active in school days while listening to the drum beats and parade in his school. After that, he completed his graduation in science from DAV College and he joined the NCC. And he was selected as best NCC cadet. When he was completing his graduation, he gave Merchant Navy exam and he got the result and he was passed in the exam. After some days, he changed his mind that he do not want to go to the Merchant Navy, but he wanted to join the Indian Army. After some years, when he went to higher education in Punjab University, he met one girl where they got love each other and they got married. After 1 year of his marriage, he got a message from an Indian Military Academy for selection. He went there and his completion in 6th December 1979. He was given 13th Battalion of Jammu and Kashmir Rifles. He got a lieutenant post. After joining Indian Military Academy, he was served and told him to go to the Kargil War in 1999. In the war, he was a great and a brave person. After the war, he was given a captain post. He was the unique person who always accepted the task, whichever it would be. He used to give all his strength, all his power, and complete his tasks. As he was a great and a brave soldier, after that, he was given one task in Srinagar, that to fight with Pakistan enemies. And he accepted the task, but it was difficult and dangerous for them. So, he gave a slogan to his colleagues about the Ye Dil Mange More. From that time, it was a famous slogan for all of us.
The attack resulted in the death of 7 Pakistani soldiers and the Indians gained a foothold on the ledge. By the ferocious attack, the Pakistanis started retreating. Batra and his men has gained the upper hand. However, there was still an enemy machine guns nest in the action on that ledge that had to be silenced. 4 Pakistani soldiers, including a junior commissioned officer, JCO, who was guiding the fire on the Indian soldier fighting outside, were manning the machine gun's nest. And Unengaged, Batra quickly charged forwards alone, killing all four members of the crew. Suddenly, Batra realized that one of his men had been shot. Turning towards Shah, Raghunath Singh, who was poisoned behind a nearby boulder, maintaining an iron grip on his AK-47. Batra shouted about the team of flying bullets. आप और मैं इसको evacuate करेंगे. We will evacuate him. With bullets flying around him, he pushed Singh towards the safer side and placed himself between the Singh and the enemy. Says, "You have a family and the children to go back to. I'm not even married. मैं सर की तरह रहूंगा और आप पाँव उठाएंगे." Batra encourageously exposed himself to enemy fire to drag the injured soldier to safety, and in the process was shot in the chest by an enemy sniper from very close range, and a split second later by a splitter from an RPG when hit him in the head. Batra collapsed next to the injured soldier, succumbing to his fatal wounds. एक बार फिर से हमने दुश्मन को मार भगाया था। कारगिल की चोटी पर तिरंगा शान से लहराया था।